Hi everybody, I'm just going to explain how to take your test. It's very similar to the worksheets that you've been doing. So today, here's what you need to make sure you do. Complete all the lessons leading up to this and the checkpoint quiz that was prior to this before you do this. Okay, that is a must. You also got to make sure you watch this video because it's going to help you explain. Now, when you look at your test, here's what's going to be given to you. Everything's going to be set up just like it was in the worksheets. Now you just got to know if it's a moles to moles problem or a grams to grams. So in this instance here, you have a moles to moles problem. I'm given 1.5 moles. That's the answer from the problem, the given from the problem that goes there in that bracket, and then what I want to find goes on the left. Now remember, when you do this, you multiply across the top and divide by the bottom. Where do I get these numbers from? The blue numbers, they come from my balanced chemical equation, just like we did earlier. Okay, you get two problems just like that. Then we move to grams, and we have what we call three brackets. All right, now this problem here, all the masses for each compound are right here on the right. Right, so for this problem number 3, you don't even have to use your periodic table, it's already given to you. When 3.5 grams of Mg reacts, how many grams of MgCl2 will be formed? So 3.5 goes there. What do I want to find? MgCl2. What do I put here? The mass of Mg and the mass of MgCl2. The middle bracket, the blue ones, always come from numbers right here. Okay, so figure out which one goes, input there. 4, this time you have to add up the masses of the compound. They're not given to you like they are right here. Okay, problem's all set up for you, ready to go. 5 and 6, here's what you need to do. The brackets are blank. You need to type in the brackets, and just a quick hint, they are very similar to the problem above. This one is not balanced, so you have to balance this chemical equation as well. So these are definitely the upper level questions. You can use your maps, you can use whatever you want to help you solve for those, okay? So that's how you input. Just make sure you input your answer in the red area there. All right, everybody, good luck. Let us know if you have any questions. See ya.